Hej, përshëndetje, përshëndetje. Shit. Ideja ke mas 10 vjetë KosICT-s, Ermali mos mu përzi, edhe më thanë që s'ko me bo kur gjë, edhe apet dola qëto në skenë. Edhe malan me moderu për mu personalisht eventin ma të lezetshëm të kejtë KosICT-s. Quhet Future Developers, edhe ka të bëj me fmi, besoj që keni me pa gjithë edhe keni mu knaqë. Këta fmi, pos që janë kështu, mos të hinë demagogjit ashtë rinia, adhmja, jona, në aknina, me thjeshtësueshëm edhe janë inxhiniera të arshëm se cilit për neve që kemi kompani që presim me i punsu ose këta me na punsu neve në të adhmen. Une nuk e kom ditë shumë këtë rëndësi për para, edhe kanal me na vizitu në zyre disa njerëz për shkollave fillore, disa fmi, ose për shkollave të mesme, edhe nuk e merrsha shumë serioze atë punë deri në momentin kur ata u rritën shpejt, kalon 10 vjet shpejt dhe ata fillon me u bë njerëzit më të kërkuar treg prej neve. Domthonjë që ata njerëz që kanë ardhur me na vizitu që ne e kemi marrë shumë me neglizhencë ndoshta shpesh atë punë, edhe pse i kemi prit me dashuri, por nuk e kemi përcjell rritjen e tyne. Tash janë ata njerëz që na vrapojnë pas tyre ku me i gjetë edhe si me i pru sa më afër kompanive tona. Edhe këtë seni kisha lënë si mesazh për fund se s'vezati shumë. Të gjithë njerëzve që janë këtu, që janë pronarët kompanive, menaxherat kompanive, head of HR-s, diçka që me pas shumë kujdes me i majt raportet, shumë të mira e me përcjell që të rritet që në të mive, me kontribu sa ma shumë në qëtë karierë të tyne, se kanë me vrapu mas tyne, mas një kohë, edhe me i lut me shku me ju bashkan gjitë. Qka kena sëd, i kemi 4 shkolla që unë i du shumë, edhe që i qmoj shumë që janë të bo për Kosovë, edhe që kum shkru që 7-8 vjetë për këto shkolla, edhe që 5 vjetë është Boneveti, Shkolla Digjitale, është J-Coders, edhe Shkolla Finlandeze. Janë 4 shkolla që, një aplauz për shto 4 shkolla të lutna. Po, mos më majdu në gjepa, pedi, po më shkon. Pjanisi me Shkollën Bonevet janë 2 grupe, shkollat i kanë grupe të ndryshme, po i kanë 20 minuta se cila me na tregu që kanë pregadit, edhe pastaj komentojna ka pak edhe punët e tyne, edhe i lavdojna, në fund i kanë i dhurat vogël, sepse gjitha është sponsorizu për një kompanisë që e duhet, gjithashtu shumë që quhet Gjirafa, që besoj gjithë e njefni, edhe në fund, faleminderit për prezencën, zoti kryetari, ja ndonë kanë një certifikat, kur të përfundojnë, pjanisi, mos të zgati shumë, grupi parë, Bonevet.
Hi everybody and thank you for coming. My name is Nal and we're presenting the ideal city.
Hi, I'm Zana, and in our ideal city, we have buildings, we have more bus stations, lots of garbage, trash cans, more solar panels, and more windmills. Actually, we have just one.
In our ideal city, instead of coal, we use solar panels and windmills for electricity. We have more trash cans so that people don't throw stuff everywhere. I mean, come on, we've all done it once. And we have a lot of bus stations so that everyone can travel around the city in public transit.
And then for public transportation, we have this robot called the M-Bot. This robot will drive around the city and then gather people in the bus and then drive around the city with public transportation.
Ta-da!
Retni pak aty, this was a perfect solution for our cities, of course. And we have a gift for you, for your whole group, from Giraffa. You have t-shirts.
Thank you.
For everyone. And you have Monopoly game in Albanian, so you can play it locally. Congratulations.
Thank you.
If that doesn't make you emotional or nothing, well, yeah, I switched it to English because they made me feel a little bit bad. Just to say that I also speak it a little bit. Okay, the second group of Bonevet, I'm not taking a lot of your time. Enjoy, come to the stage. Maybe also present yourself because I don't know the names. Okay.
Juve që povi që videon kena pas me prezentoni?
Një video që tash t'i del, po problemet teknike.
Zhvillimi I industrisë, rritja e popullsisë ka ndikuar që të kemi mundësi zgjedhjesh të pafundshme. Mirë po, a kemi menduar kostën e gjithë kësaj rehatie? Fryma ka lindur si një nevojë e pashmangshme që të kemi stacione monitoruese mbi kualitetin e ajrit. Në bazë të dhënave të gjeneruara në kohë reale, ne do të mund të identifikojmë qytetet e rrezikuara nga cilësia e pakënaqshme e ajrit, zhvillimin e një plani I cili ndihmon në përmirësimin e gjendjes aktuale të ajrit në Kosovë. Të dhënat e gjeneruara nga stacionet mund t'i lexoni në website-in ose në aplikacionin mobil të Fryma. Përveç qasis në informim, këto stacione kanë aftësuar më shumë se 200 nxënës adoleshant në rëndësinë e punës praktike dhe grupore dhe hulumtimit mbi tema që nuk janë shumë të njohura për ta. Si përfundim, kemi 35 stacionet që janë lokalizuar në 22 komuna të Kosovës. Ne besojmë tek fuqia e vullnetit dhe vendosmërisë për të iniciuar ndryshime pozitive në komunitet.
Përshëndetje për krejt. Unë jam Lendrita, vi prej shkollës Alfa Omega, edhe këtë vit e kom përfundu vitin e fundit, do me thonë shkollës të mesme. Gjatë këtij vitit plot, unë kam pas mundësinë që me qenë pjesë e njënës prej garave më të mëdha teknologjike në Kosovë, garës që është bën bashkëpunim mes Bonevetit edhe Kosova Makers League, kam qenë pjesë e garës Fryma.
Okej, përshëndetje për gjithë, unë jam Ergita Alia, jam nxënëse e shkollës së mesme Gjingazulli, edhe në këtë vit unë kam qenë pjesëmarrëse e garës Fryma, ku e kemi ndërtu stacionin edhe që shëpot edhe në video, për me një problem që është global, pra në cilësinë e ajrit. Gjatë këtij viti, bashkë me Bonevetin, ne e kemi ndërtu stacionin e ajrit, pra që është përshin edhe të këto që është I paraqiton. Pra me këtë stacion, ne e kemi pas qëllim kryesor që vlerat e ajrit me senzorët e paraqitur në stacion, me marrë sa më shumë vlerat e ajrit, edhe ato vlerat e ajrit me I paraqit me një aplikacion që ka Fryma edhe në website të Frymës.
Gjatë këtij viti normal kuptohet që kemi pas raundet ndryshme prej garës. Ajo që ka vlen me odsek është që përmbi 200 nxënësa të shkollave të mesme, së bashku me mentorët ose me mësuesit e tyre, kanë marrë pjesë në 5 raundet gjithsej që janë bajt, edhe prej këtyre kemi pas mundësinë që me I kriju 35 stacione në 22 qytete në Kosovë. Do me thonë, nëse na sot vendosim për me e bo një ecje në natyrë, mirë po nuk e dim nëse ojri është i mirë, nëse ojri është i keq, nuk jemi të sigurt rreth asaj sa me dal ajo, është shumë e thjeshtë ashtu siç e tha edhe Mërgita. Mundemi me u kyç shumë lehtë në aplikacion ose në web, edhe në cilin do të qytet të Kosovës, me i po këto motjet cilat bëhen për sa i përket ojrit, edhe me vendos nëse po dalim ose s'po dalim, se qysh janë grimcat e ojrit, grimcat e pluhurit, se qysh janë, do me thonë, djegjet e derivateve në përqytete, cilat zona janë matë pasura, do me thonë, me air pollution ose me air pollution. Qëka tjetër?
Okej, pra përveç se ne kemi zgjedhë një problem madhor, pak të njemi mundu me zgjedhë një problem madhor, na në gjatë kësaj gore, pashto e kemi pas një eksperiencë të jashtëzakonshme me bashkëpunim me Bonevetin. Pra gjatë këtyne sfidave që kemi qenë edhe si grup, kemi kalu një tepër të mirë, jemi kënaqur edhe kemi punu me pajisje që nuk na kanë me punu më përpara. Edhe kemi pas diçka një eksperiencë të re, edhe kemi mësu shumë prej kësaj gare. Ma e pakta që kemi mujtë me mësu, edhe ju në këtë salë, është vish me pas se çfarë rëndësie ka kualiteti ajrit në vendin tonë.
Edhe unë e kisha ashtu gati se të njëjtën, për gjatë gjithë vitit, puna që e kemi pas me pjesëtarë tonë të ekipës, mirë po edhe me ekipet tjera prej shkollave tjera, ka qenë mrekullueshme se ju vetë që kena njoftu me pajisje të reja teknologjike, mirë po e kena pas edhe atë komunikimin më të lehtë, edhe kemi pas shumë përparësi edhe përsa i përket gjuhës angleze edhe gjuhëve të ndryshme tjera programuese, cilat na kanë shërby gjatë kësaj periudhe. Diçka tjetër, besoj se kemi me shtu, për ju gjithë që dëshirani, do me thonë, me pas diçka informata ma shumë përsa i përket cilësisë së ajrit në Prishtinë apo edhe në cilin do qytet tjetër të Kosovës, ju ftojmë që me vizitu webin frima.org ose edhe aplikacionin. Aplikacionin mundeni me e marë si në App Store, ashtu edhe në Google Play. Do më shpjegu këto, do me të kinqe me dverë. Shpjeget.
Faleminderit qika, ishit mrekullueshme, s'paku fëmijët, po na mendojmë për një ambient më të gjelbërt, më të pastër, dhe këto janë dhuratat për juve nga Gjirafa.
Faleminderit.
Faleminderit shumë.
Faleminderit që këto dy grupe ishin shkollës Bonevet, tash është Shkolla Digjitale, prej Hanes edhe Darsejt, besoj që janë këtu, edhe pse unë s'pisha, po, atje. Faleminderit për këtë kontributin, Hana, let's make Hana proud, grupi parë.
Well, hello everyone. My name is Rumesa Beice and I'm part of Digital School. This is my 11-year-old friend, Enese. Together we have made a project, a mobile app. The main goal of our project is to aware the user how to protect the environment by using our mobile app. We have been working in this project only for 2 days, and we have made it with App Inventor. Next is going to tell Enese how he made the game.
Hello everyone. Just like Romesa said, my name's Anas and I'm part of digital school. I created an app where if you're in public and you're walking while you're looking at your phone, the screen of your phone will turn bright red and an alarm will turn on. But if you're not looking at your phone, nothing happens. Now I'm gonna demonstrate it. So now if I'm looking at my phone and I'm walking, an alarm turns on. But if I walk and I'm not looking at my phone, nothing happens. Thank you. Now, if you click the button See More, it sends you to another screen. And if the screen has a few questions, and if you click one of the questions, it sends you to like if you click the first questions, it shows more about our project. Now, if you click the second question, it sends you to a screen, and in the screen there's 4 questions, and if you agree with the answer of the questions, you can tick it. And if you tick it, it says that you agree with the answer.
Okay, next we have 2 more screens. The next one is how to go green in our life. We tried to make a screen to convince the people by using our app how to change their everyday life, and we added some advices that they can use it in their everyday life. Next, we have put some pictures of greenest places on Earth and the most beautiful places on Earth. You can see some of them. And of course, our beautiful country, Kosovo. And next, we have made a step counter. The main goal of this step counter is to count our steps while we are walking. We have 3 buttons. The start button, when we press it and we start walking, the steps increase. Also the distance, and it tells us how many simple steps we have. And if we shake it, it increases the shake count. But if we press the second button, which is stop button, and we try to walk and stop, we can see that it doesn't change. So it stays as in the beginning. When we press the reset button, it resets it from the beginning, and you can see that now the steps are 0, the simple steps are 0 also, but the distance remains back. Thank you everyone for your attention.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you. This was great awareness campaign for all of us. Thank you very much. And these are your...
Thank you.
Yes, presents.
Hey, thank you. Thank you so much. So, saving the planet was never a thing during my childhood. And that's why we have a shitty place right now. But I guess the only way to change it is with kids. And it's so good that we are educating them now in this direction. The second group of Shkolla Digjitale, by the way, Shkolla Digjitale has 5 groups as far as I'm informed. The second group, please come to the stage.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Dren. This is Abyan, and we created an application called the Fitness app. If you're a fitness lover or you just want to keep your body line perfect, you can definitely use our application. First, we created 4 weeks. Every week has 7 days, and every day has different exercises. Next, we created the Run Tracker tool that counts your steps, your simple steps, and your shakes. But after working out, we all want to relax, to chill, to play to any game, and that's why we created the nature game. But we wanted also to send a little message to everybody to protect the nature. And in the end, we also added the login and the sign-up screen when you can log and sign into our application.
Okay. Hello, everybody. I'm Abyan, and this is our app. The fitness app has a plan of 4 weeks, and every week has everyday workout. Every day has different workouts, so you have day 1, day 2, every day of the week. See, they're all different from each other. We also have other features like the running app. Now, if you press start, it will start counting. See, it's counting. I can shake the phone, and it counts the shakes too. And when you reach 20 steps, it tells you about some healthy facts about walking and how you're helping out the nature because you're not using a car. And you all know that cars release gases, so you're helping out. When you stop, it doesn't count anymore. And when you reset, it says them all to 0. So we also have the feature of music for workout. We have, if you want to work out and listen to music, you can listen to music. We have 3 recommendations that we found on our website, and you can also search songs. Like YouTube is the default browser, but you can also type in Spotify or Apple Music or whatever music app you want to try out. Wait a little bit and then it opens it. As you can see, it opens Spotify. You can listen to any music while you're working out. And also you have the nature game. The nature game is just a game dedicated to nature and helping it out from trash. Now trash falls from up and you drag the trash bin and collect the trash from top. So right now I'm collecting the trash and you have a time of 15 seconds. And you have to do 200 points for 50 seconds. Every 50 points, the speed increases, and if you don't do 200 points, you actually lose the game. If you do more than 200 or 200, you win the game. Each trash is 10 points, and yeah, that's how you play the game. And we also have a sign up and login screen. You basically just type in a username, a password. You sign up, it saves your data in a tiny web database. You go in the login page and you type in the same username, same password. You log in, you can change it later, and this is the app. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. I think this is perfect, and we should all have this kind of app when you go to nature. As you can notice, this year's theme is green, so everybody is green. The applications, the projects that kids from these 4 schools are doing or did during these 2 days are all green. Thank you very much, guys. Congratulations.
Nuk e di jo, veç unë jam I fascinu me cilësi gjuhës angleze që po e flasin, edhe sidomos me theks edhe me numër të fjalëve që po di me I përdor. I kisha lut edhe prind edhe fëmijët që janë këtu me mësu edhe shqip, se po kena këza problem. Mirë shkruhet me edhe shumë shkruhet me në fund. Grupi 3 I Shkollës Digjitale.
Qështu? Liana, vjen me shpash. Liana.
Qysh me qit me projektu? Po. Ka dalë. Ka fakti. Po.
Acho que Black Magic. Mirror Commerce. Black Magic, acho que.
Account sharing nëse shunoj. Mos ka
Jo këtu të bësh mirë se kanë shumë komplet edhe rezolucioni është se këtu bën full screen.
Okej, s'ka problem.
Se ai kohë të full screen vetë, do të thonë me gjithë rregull. Ka shumë ka shumë duke edhe normal po po të drejt.
Laptop nas përshar? Po që të me një arbalë zonë së të dhja përshar së përshar.
E kanë rejtë, këtë taksio. Shtë në bozumat zonë?
Sorry about that. Hello everyone. Me and Gintrit built a UI design for the application about environment protection. The main reasons that we did this UI design is that to inform the people about that we are destroying the environment around us each day and more. So we are trying to change that and to save it more. So when we click first in the application, we go to the Save the Planet, where the first button is Join Now. And when we press that, we go to the login page. If we don't have an account, we can press the Sign Up button. Then we get to the Sign Up page. And after that...
Hello everyone, I am Gantrit. In this page, I set the map of Kosovo and my notation and I set the location when we plant trees, our community plant trees in Kosovo, in Pristina, Perizaj, Prizren and Peja, and we set those information. So 2015 visit 25,000 visit us and 100 plus spices and species and 15 plus countries involved in our community, and we have 15 plus active projects. And we maintained those main 3 cities in Kosovo. Our community planted trees in these countries, and we maintained Pristina, Perizaj, and Prizren. And we have done the donation page, where we have project name, we have the donation, we have the target, budget, and backers, and we set the galleries where are the projects where we want to donate, and this is a transform of new ideas or the project where we want to donate. So this was the UI design app for environment protection. Thank you so much.
This was also great. It seems that you have a lot of things to do in the future and very big plans. Just continue. Success. Goodness.
Grupi 4 Shkolla Digjitale. A mund më ardh? So e përzi ka pak. Edhe veç prezentonu se.
Hello, I'm Leon. And hello, I'm Angel Berisha, and I've coded the backend part of this theme.
Hi everyone, I'm Ona and I'm going to be presenting a theme we have developed for WordPress which could be used as an e-commerce site. So in this case we have used it as a solar installer business because it needed to be something to do with a green movement or a green theme. So when you click on our page, the first thing you see is a big slider which basically gives you an idea of what our website is about. And while we scroll, we can see a section called monthly offers, which changes depending on the site, their offers and their products. Then we can see a section which tells the user what are some other things we can help with, such as mounting or cleaning. And if they want more information about that, they can contact us. Then we have the latest products, which change depending on the new products we put on our website. So if we put up a new product, then an older one will get replaced by it in this section. Then if you click on one of the products, you go to a page where you can check out more information or just a deeper description about that specific product. And then you have the option to order that product, which is not available in our case because this is not a function in website. It's just an example that we have used for our theme. Then if you scroll down, you can see the products related to what you are interested in. And if you click on them, they function the same way as the other products. Then you can also check out our other pages, like About Us, which basically tells you a little more about us as a company. And the information page works the same way. It just gives you information about the green movement and what we can do to save our Earth. The user also has the option to search, which functions by the use of keywords. So for example, you search for solar panels, we can see options that are related to your search, and if you click on one of the options, they function the same way as the other products. And if you are planning to use our theme in your site, you can edit everything on it on WordPress, so you don't have to do any of the back-end work. Thank you.
This was great. And of course, this e-commerce site is green. And here's the gift from the biggest e-commerce site in platform in Kosovo, the unicorn Giraffa. This is for you.
Just so you know, to build something like this, my company, we charge about 10,000 euros, so they are doing a good job. What else? The last group of Shkolla Digjitale, right? The fifth group? Come.
Hi everyone, my name is Vesa Susure.
Hello everyone, my name is Ardian Krasnice.
Hello everyone, my name is Lirik Recepi. So we are all students at Digital School, and for today we created a green movement platform that we think that will help a lot with the environment. So right now, in a few seconds, we will have our page right here. So as we all know, the environment right now is not the best, and we have a simple animation here showing us all the problems that we have in our environment. So global warming, air pollution, and all these things like this. So we created this simple intro to show us all the problems that we have, and then we are in the homepage of our platform. So this is the homepage. It's a page that has a lot of information which will teach our users on how to behave better for the environment and for the nature. So right here we have some text that shows a bit about our environment. We have a few green themed games, so we can try one game right now. It's a super simple game. It's kind of like a maze game. The point of this is basically your cursor is the trash, and you should move the cursor to the trash can so that you can put the trash in the trash can where it should be. It's something pretty simple. Everything that we made in this project was made so that for everything that you complete, we plant a tree. So for every game that you play, we will plant a tree. So right now we will go again in the home page, and we will show you another thing that we have. So it's a quiz. So this quiz was made to pretty much learn our users about our environment and what we should and what we shouldn't do to help it. So you can see we have 10 questions in here, and you have a few answers that you can choose from. And if you select the right answer, you will have the tick symbol show up. And then at the end of the entire quiz, you will have a simple pop-up that will show us how many of our questions were correct and how many were not correct. So you can see right here, out of 10 questions, we had 4 correct. So now we will move to another part of the project, which is the blog. So the blog is pretty much some pages filled with information about our environment, what is destroying it, what we should do to help renovate it, and stuff like this. So this is one of the blog pages. We will not take too much time on here. We will show other features. So this is the shop. We created a shop where you can buy green-themed merchandise. So as you can see, we have hoodies, we have some t-shirts, some stickers, and every purchase that is made in here will be donated to a great cause. So pretty much we're going to be planting trees with each purchase that is made right here. It's fully functional. You can click on pay, you can add it to your cart, you can fill the information, and the order will get shipped. So now we will move to another part of the project, and one of the biggest things right here. So we created a school management system that has a few features that are really, really good and will help our nature a lot. So you can register as a school, as a student, as a teacher. It's fully functional. You can grade your students, and we will show you right now. So this is the teacher login page. You can see this is the dashboard. It's a quick overview of the entire project. And then you can click on class. And when you click on class, you have the classes that you created. You can create a class on the top right corner right there. On the create class, you enter your name. There's a code generated. You give that code to your students, and they can log in into your class. When you click on one of the classes, you see you have a list of the students that joined your class. You can grade them in their subject. You can set their missing true or missing false. And you can remove them from your class and stuff like this. Another thing that you can do is you can assign homework. So all you do is you enter your homework title, your homework information. You can put an image related to the homework, and then you click which class you want to send the homework to. Click the send homework button, and the homework is sent. And you can review the homework that your students completed. So these are some homeworks that we did complete. This left view is the homework that the teacher sent. The right view is the student answer and the image they imported. And then the teacher can check if the answer was correct or incorrect. And then based on what the student decides to submit, so if it's the answer of this homework is correct, the student will get a up mark in the class section where the homework is. So right now we will show you what the student view looks like. So this is the student dashboard page. It's a quick page, again, just a quick overview of the entire project. You can click on class right here, and you have your grades. So you can see your mathematics grade, your English grade, biology, how many times you missed and skipped school, and then your completed homework and the incorrect homework, which I showed you a few moments ago. And also we have a little Google chart that visualizes the grades that we got. So then we can click on homework, and this is where the homework our teacher gave us. So there will be boxes like this, and then when you click on them, you have the title, the description of the homework, and the image, and then you can choose your answer right there, submit homework, and it will work. Everything is fully functional, but since the time is limited, we can't go in detail for each and every single thing, so we're just making a quick run through. This is a great feature of the program. So this is a studying timer, and the goal of this thing was basically to help stimulate students to learn more, but also do good for the environment. So for each studying session that you complete, we are going to be planting one tree. in places that are needed. So for example, the studying timer is around 25 minutes, but we set it to 10 seconds to show you guys how it works. And as you saw, we had 6 trees planted. When you finish a studying session, we will plant another tree. And then you can have a short and a long break for to relax a bit and then start another session. Another thing that we have right here is online books. So as we know, for books to be created, there is a lot of tree waste, and that is why we created some online books. So pretty much right here, you can click on the books page, and then you will have a view of the books. And then when you click on each book that you want, so for example, we had ecology, mathematics, and English. Based on the button that you click, you will be sent to the book, and you will have the view of the book. So this is the ecology book. It shows us the essentials of ecology, what we should do to help our nature, what we should and we shouldn't do to keep our nature sustainable and stuff like this. So yeah, this was the project that we worked on. We completed it in 2 days, me and my group. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed.
Kur po ndëgjoj këta fëmijë po kompleksohen me anglishtën time, sigurisht është larg prej asaj çka flasin këta, edhe kur po shoh këtë platformë, kjo është qaq multifunksionale sa thjesht kishim mujt mu po 3 platforma të ndryshme, prej asaj që e keni nisë që me vedisu për ambient, pastaj për atë pjesën e crowdsourcing, crowdfunding për me mbjell, dronjë dhe pjesa plus e lidhun me edukim. Perfekte. Faleminderit shumë, do t'jap tash dhuratat.
Faleminderit shumë njerë për Shkollës Digjitale. Tash janë 3 grupe të Shkollës J-Coders, Fiona, Marigona edhe Arta. Artën s'pe shof, me që vëtyjave. Ajtë njerë me dorë mjë pa krejtë, se jeni matë mira në vot. Okay. 3 grupet me ranë. Më kujtuni diçka një thani e mirë për thëmë anglisht, so it says that there is a saying, it says that earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. And this is something that this talk is about. Because many years ago it was not easy to satisfy our needs, and I completely understand previous generations that didn't care too much about environment because they had to put something on their bread. And oxygen is not very good when you spread it on your bread. But now it's not like that, and I think it's something which we must teach our kids to do. And I'm just saying things until the people are prepared, so bear with me. You ready? Okay. J-Coders, first group.
Hello. Hello everyone, my name is Drem Lase. I'm a student at J-Coders Academy, and this is our project.
Okay. Hello everyone, I'm Anila and I'm a student at J-Coders. Today here I have the presentation of the automatic plant feeder. So basically I would like to start the presentation by asking a question. So everybody please raise your hand if you have a plant in your home. Looks like everyone has a plant in their home, and that's just great. You know, when you go on a summer holiday, it's going to take like 2 or 1 week, and you want to relax and just don't want to think about anything else other than just relaxing. So, but that's just impossible because you have plants at home, and you know that when you're going to go back, they're going to dry out and they're probably going to die. And we don't want to see that, so we made an automatic plant feeder. So basically how this automatic plant feeder works is it has a soil moisture system. The soil moisture sensor is right here, and we basically put the sensor inside the plant, and it will tell us on the LCD monitor if the plant has water in it or not. If the plant needs water, it will automatically start the water circulation, and the plant will be watered. By the time the plant is fully watered, the LCD monitor will tell us that, and you know, your plant is not going to die by the time you get back. Thank you.
Thank you.
If anyone has any questions about how the system works, you can ask a question. No questions, okay, thank you.
So this is just great for me. When I go to the seaside, can I use this system?
Yes, of course.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And don't answer questions if they don't pay you. Just learn it from now. I've been doing it all my year. That's why I'm poor. The second group from J-Coders. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hello everybody. First of all, I want to thank you all for coming here and supporting us. We really appreciate that. We are from the J-Coders Academy, and we have taken the initiative of creating a game that educates children by cleaning the environment and not damaging it. We believe that the most effective way by doing this is by creating a game, because they already spend most of the time in games, so why not learn something from that? Also, we believe that if this game was impelled to a school, it really would help children by learning that the environment is a really important thing and not damaging them. Now my friends are gonna explain the game and the levels and how it works.
Yeah, hello everybody. We are just going to wait for a second. I'm happy that all of you are here to hear us what we are explaining. So we created a game with coding, and we have worked with 40 members, and we have very good work. We work a lot, and we are happy that we are here right now. So we are waiting. So I'm gonna present to you all. I am Ores Sinani.
I am Amar Malici.
I am Amar Hismone.
And I'm Rubik Hoja.
Like my friend said, because of the schools, every kid that we asked yesterday said, I want to have this game in the school and learn so many things.
Can you tell a joke? You don't know any jokes? Like a simple joke, like a knock-knock joke? Come on, you know a knock-knock joke. Can I tell you a knock-knock joke? Knock-knock. Chew. Bless you. Actually, it was not like that, but it's probably... Achoo, okay. Achoo who, and then I should say bless you, right? Okay, now you tell me one. You don't know any knock? Okay. I mean, J-coders need to work on the jokes with you guys, not just IT.
Finally. Sorry guys about that, but that was a technically problem. So as I was saying, we created a game and you have two buttons. It's a quiz button and a play. As you know, every game has a play button, but we also added the quiz button. But we're gonna start playing because everyone wants to play. The first level is in Pristina. It says, largon Beturina nga Prishtina. You're gonna press OK. Then there are 10 garbages. You get them to their bin. So if you get right, you get +1 point in the score. If you get one wrong, it says try another way. That's wrong. So win the round. If you collect all the 10 garbages in their bin, you get the finish button and you get to the next level. Go up. So the game is finished and the finish button. I'm passing the microphone to my friend.
Okay, so this is the second level, and it says kliko te peshko për të kuptuar se çka do luash. Now we have to press OK, and then we're gonna click on the fish, and he says, "Hello there, volunteer. I am the golden fish, and I have a job for you." And then if you complete it in time, he gives you the key to the third level. So in this level, there's a lot of garbage scattered around, land and water. So you have to collect all of them. And the score goes up. And then the finish button pops up. But if you get one wrong, this guy comes up and says, "This doesn't damage the earth." So then you go into the other one, and now the level is done, and I have to pass it on to my friend.
So we are here at Drini in Peja City. You have to click the man, and he's going to swim and get all the garbages. And when he presses the garbages are removed and get 1 score. If you collect them all, you get a teleport point right there, and you go to the next round. So he's swimming right now to get all. If you touch the yellow rows, you get back to start. So like this, yeah. Then if you press the letter R, you get to teleport up. So he's swimming down, and he's swimming right, and he's going right now up to collect the last garbage. So when the garbage is all done, you get the finish button, and if you press the finish button, you go to the 4th level.
The 4th level is about the source of energy. We have here good source of energy and bad source of energy, like gas. If you aim the bad source of energy, you get +1 score. But if you press the good, you got a score -1. If you get 20 score, then you get to the next level. Now it's finished. Now we go to the next level, and it's the 5th, and you're going to plant trees. Here is an owl, and he's going to ask us a lot of questions if we want to plant trees. If we say yes, he's going to say, let's plant the trees together. But if we say no, he's going to push us to plant trees for a better world. You have to get 20 points, and then the owl goes and he's done for the job.
Now we're on to the 6th level. We are in a recycling factory, and we have to recycle all the garbages we have got from the beginning. So you have to drag, and then they go right at the end, and there's just that left. There you go. And then when they go to the end, you get the finish button, which leads you on to the next level, which is the last level in this game.
So this is the 7th level and the last level of our game. This is the snake game. As you all know, this was in Nokia. So he needs to eat trash, but if he eats his health, he's gonna die. Start the game again. If you eat trash, you get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And when you collect their score 5, it says you win and win the game. So that was our project. Thank you all for your attention, and we are happy that we are here.
I'm just gonna last question. Have you do you want to any questions for the game, like how we made it?
No.
Okay, no one. I just want to say sorry for the late arrival, and thank you all for your attention.
It was a little bit long presentation. Nevertheless, is the best way of learning how to preserve our environment is through games. And you did an excellent job, and this is a gift from Giraffa. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, guys. Now is the last group, right? Or am I missing something? Any more groups? Is it done? Finished school? Okay. The fourth and the last school, and they don't have a lot of groups, only like 17, I think. And no. J-coders again? Okay. Third group from J-coders, and then we have finished school with 17 groups. We're gonna enjoy it. Are you ready? Or we tell a joke? We tell a joke. We tell it. So J-coders, pretty good with robotics, very bad with jokes. That's the thing. You should add a course or something in your curriculum.
Okay.
Test. Hello everyone, we are the web developers group of J-coders. So we have our project Ecotopia, and I am Albion Mehmedi, and these are the other developers.
My name is Nataliti, I'm 14.
My name is Donatisa.
My name is Mohamed Tahiri.
So, hello. This is our project Ecotopia. Let's make recycling fun. So our workflow, we had a big problem, the recycling and pollution. So plastic is a really big thing, so we need to make pollution of plastic is really a problem. So we had a few ideas on how to solve it. We have two ideas. The main one was to make an information web page to tell you about how plastic pollution is a problem. So, but we have another idea because we have a lot of information web pages. So we wanted to give you more a solution than an information. So what we had the idea is to make recycling fun. What we offer, our project grants people benefits by recycling waste. So our webpage focuses on making a habit out of recycling by giving points to people who recycle.
Okay, so we pretty much made a website. This is pretty much the preview of the website. This is going to be the homepage. So it says help us recycle bottles so we can have a better environment. Also, for us to make it user-friendly, we have an idea to not make too much buttons, so it's not going to have a lot of problems with users. This is the Learn More page, so you have the button to press Learn More in the home page. And on this, we pretty much tell what are we trying to accomplish and what's our idea on accomplishing that. So what are we trying to accomplish? We are trying to make the world a better place by making recycling easier for people. By that, our idea is to give profit to the users of the website that recycle. So to do that, we need to make some kind of system that it's gonna show you how many points you get for a bottle that you recycle. Also, we have some offers that you can buy with the points that you gather on the website. So of course, to save these points, you need to make an account, so you have to sign up, and then you will have your profile preview. So this is what the profile preview will look like. So they will show you how many points you have, what active offer do you have, and it will show you how many bottles you have recycled of what type. Also, we have the option to copy links. So if you copy link and share it with your friends, and then your friends join our website from your link, you will get rewarded by 2 times points for 1 hour. And we pretty much try to make a competition so you can have like friends on the website and have a competition who has more points and stuff. So, of course, to make this thing happen, we need some partners, and we took like a preview of what we think it would be good, and this would be pretty much a good thing to have these other partners. This is this are we, and we made this project. So now you will have a little preview of the website.
So we also have a demo, if you can see it. So this is the demo, what you saw here, but working with code. So when you touch Learn More, you can see that you're going to learn more about our project, what we are trying to accomplish, what is our idea. So what we are trying to accomplish, we are trying to make a habit out of recycling, and so give you something in return also, because we know when you get something in return, you want to do it a lot more. So our idea is that. Here we have a point system, so if you have 0.5 liters bottle, you get 5 points, 1.5 liter 10 points, and 10 liter 50 points. And those points, when you can use them for our offers. We have a light offer which gives you a 50% sale on Traffic Urban. We have a standard one which gives you 20% sale on Traffic Urban and 50% sale on groceries, and the premium that gives you all of that but 2 times more points when you recycle. To keep up with your points, you need to make an account.
Accounting.
Money. So this is your account. You can see points, what active offer you have, how many bottles you recycled. You can copy your link and share it with friends. When you do that, you will get 2 more points for 1 hour. And also you can see your friends, which you can have a competition with them. We also would have partners to make this happen. So we would showcase them like this. These are not our partners because we don't have them, but if we had them, we would showcase them like this. So if you have any questions or any idea to make it better, we are free for ideas.
Thank you for your attention.
Perfekte, tash ja kemi nis me fol pak biznes, projekte, pak ma komerciale, pak ma ndryshe, pi vjenera, pak ndërmarrësi. Faleminderit djema dhe këtë janë dhurata për juve.
Hey, thank you so much, guys. You know, the greatest danger that our planet faces is the idea and the belief that someone else will do it and not us. You know, that someone else will recycle, that someone else will plant a tree, or someone else will do something good for the planet, but never us. And until that changes, it will always be a threat. While the 4th school gets ready with the teams, I think we have 5 teams or 6? 6, okay. 6 teams. Grade school, Finnish school, we need to make it faster, everybody, and to try to finish some of the discussions a little bit faster. The 3 groups that just finished were from, come to the stage. The 3 groups were from J-Coders. Just so I share something personal, my kids, so my daughter was part of Bonevet and Shkolla Digjitale, and she had an amazing time there. And my son will be a part of J-Coders School. And probably in the future, if I had a lot of money, I will take them to Shkolla Finlandese, but that's like a joke towards Aletin, but he's not here, so that's good. And it's not just the coding that they learn there, it's just the social stuff, and you can see the English skills, and all of these other things surrounding technology are as important as what the kids are saying here. You have big shoes to fill, you see? I'm talking a lot. You ready? Good.
Yeah.
You're so handsome. Continue.
So, hi, I'm Jacob from Finnish School of Kosovo, and I created a summary video of the Finnish school. And it uses animation, and the things I use for it are Lego and a simple app called Smoothie. I then put it all together myself using iMovie. So it's about 30 seconds, and sit back and enjoy it.
This was great. Here you go, you're present. So you will learn Albanian from this Monopoly in Albanian, right? And you will play it with your friends at Finnish school. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You didn't tell us where you're from, by the way. You forgot to tell us. You forgot to tell.
I'm from England.
You're from England. Nice to have you here. Thank you. The second group, join us. Oh, the second guy.
Hello everyone. I am Enisi. I study at Finnish School of Kosovo. I create some web pages. This is one web page for the Finnish School of Kosovo. Welcome to Finnish School of Kosovo. I create this with languages programming, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, and Bootstrap. About school, I put some text here about school, and I put one picture from school with animation. Our teacher, our professor are also of other nationalities. These are not our professor, but is, for example, transportation. Our student feedback from grade 12, last student. And contact now. You can contact us for more. We create one calculation where is functional. You can test. And clear all. We make this with JavaScript and design with CSS. My garden. This website is for my garden, for help people, for create a garden. How to create a garden? Choose a location and plan your garden beds. Invest in basic garden tools. Top 6 places with beautiful gardens. And this is footer. You can visit our page in Facebook and Instagram. And we have another project, application. You can contact here. We are students from Finnish School of Kosovo who designed this website.
How many of you designed this? How many together, I mean?
Me and 11th grade.
Oh, perfect, perfect.
Consequences of COVID-19 in Kosovo. This website is about COVID-19 and its damage in Kosovo. We create and another application for with Figma. damages in Kosovo. We make 3 boxes, one for cases with COVID-19, medicine during COVID-19, and economy during COVID-19. And some statistic, one for 2020 and another for 2022. And economic crisis, 2 boxes. This is application, Clean Kangaroo, login. Choose laundry store or request service. Profile. Log out. Save address. And we create another model websites with Figma design. Take charge of your finance. Some categories. Some picture here. You can download for free. Security, your data is secure. And support. Some picture here. One comment. You can download for free or premium. Thank you for your attention. Do you have any question?
Questions will come later, but I am impressed with the knowledge of programming languages that these kids have, all of them using all these technologies. Bravo for you.
Third person from Finnish school. By the way, I run one of the biggest software companies in the country, and my website is not as good as these guys. So that's pretty proud to be of. What's your name?
Ulex.
Keep your microphone higher
Okay.
and raise your voice.
Hello, I'm Ulex Golemi. I'm in 7th grade in Finnish school. And I created a test in Python which tells you if you have anger issues. And the way the project works is it uses a simple value, and every time you say yes to a question, it adds 10 points to the value. And if you have 50 points in the value, that means you have anger issues. As you can see here. Would anyone want to answer to a question or no? Okay. Yes.
Yeah, all right, let's see how angry I am. So yes, let's go for yes. Sometimes. I can only say yes or no, right?
And sometimes. And sometimes.
Oh, and sometimes. No. 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 I think I know the rules of your game, so. I can't see the bottom bit. Sometimes. When it's warm, yes. Nope. Yes.
Congratulations, you don't have anger issues.
All right, okay. Thank you, great.
Does anyone have any questions?
This was perfect. Continue with the good work. Thank you.
Thanks God it wasn't me. I would be like completely insane or something, which is quite normal for me. Okay, the next group in line from Finnish school. While they come, I think I didn't mention at the beginning, but ProCredit is the main sponsor of this stage, and we have to thank them so much for supporting STIC and KosICT. And my arch nemesis company, Kutia, which we love so much. Thank you, Kutia, so much for doing it for the stage. And all the other sponsors, the EBRD, always there. I don't know where she is. She was here somewhere, but I know where she is right now. Can we find? Oh, she went to smoke. Okay, when she comes back, I'll mention. EBRD is one of the leading institutions that helped IT in general in Kosovo and very understanding with our needs. And then the other sponsor, Wasabi, and the rest, and UNDP as well. You girls are ready? Yes. Ready?
Hi, I'm Vera, and this is my partner, Lea, and we're from Finnish School of Kosovo, and we're in 4th grade, and we made a robot called R2D2, and he's from a film called Star Wars.
Hi, and here we got some magnets, and it's basically made out of magnets with sound effects and light effects. So if we turn a button on here, then it's a big magnet behind, a big battery behind that makes all the electronic go on. So there's basically a little twist here. And then it puts the light on with the sound effects. So it's basically made out of magnets, a big battery, and light effects, and sound effects. Thank you for coming, everybody, and listening. That's all for today.
This was awesome, girls. I'm proud of you.
Thank you so much, girls.
Roberts, yeah.
It was crazy when she introduced her friend. She said she's my partner, and I loved it so much. Okay, the fifth. I'm sorry, just lost count. Okay.
Hello, my name is Eric Kachaniko, and I would like to present my video game that I made. So it's on my iPad, so I have to play with the camera. I'll talk about it right now. The game is called KosICT Finnish School Game. So I'm trying to make a realistic game. So in the game, it's not a survival game. It's just a game where you could just walk around, swim, climb the mountain, which is really hard. the jump button lets you jump, and this is the movement button over here. If you get up to the top of the mountain, you will get a badge saying on the bottom, right bottom of your screen, saying that you've reached the top of the mountain. The badge gives you the ability to fly, but once you leave the server and come back, the badge will no longer be there, which basically means you're not allowed to. You have to try to get it again. Right now, I'm just walking, trying to do the normal stuff, and if I try to walk the mountain, it'll take me a lot of time. So I would like to now explain what the game mostly is about. The game mostly tells you what life is about and what it can be. While you're walking in the game, you can also talk with other people or go to the restaurant and just eat something and basically try to survive. And that's basically all for my game.
This was lovely. It reminded me of Mario somehow, playing Mario, but they don't know who Mario was at the time.
Yeah, most of them don't, but
No,
Mr. Kacaniku,
no, they don't.
I love your shoes, Mr. Kacaniku. They are very nice. And the game was awesome.
Congratulations, this is a gift from Giraffa.
Thank you so much. The last group for today?
Something with robots, something.
With robots?
Something. It's
Oh, no?
not?
It's not?
It's a game.
Oh, it's a game.
Perfect.
Okay.
Just shoot him up with that.
Hi, my name is Miley Krasnice, and I will be presenting a game today that I made. The name of the game is Space UFO Bro, and it's about a UFO. You'll see right here. Basically, you just try and shoot the aliens. If you shoot all the aliens, then you win. But if you don't, if you touch an alien, then you'll lose. If you touch these neon things, then you'll also lose, but you can just break those. So, if you go to the end, you'll have to fight a boss. When you finish the boss, then you'll get the end credits, and it'll tell you how many aliens you've killed. Let's see how many aliens I killed, and I've killed 12. And that is my game. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
This was great. Where can I find this game? Because I would like to play it to kill the aliens.
I have not published it online.
Oh, great. Can you tell me when you do?
I don't know how to, that's why.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
This is a gift from Giraffa. And maybe you will invite.
Yeah, before I invite the mayor, just to say, it's Saturday, it's afternoon, we are tired, and it's still full house looking at these beautiful kids and these great ideas. I'm so thankful for you. And if you ever get disappointed with our country, with something which comes to your mind, just think of this moment, because there is hope in this place. Thank you so much for the schools and what you're doing with our kids. Please don't stop. Our mayor, the floor is yours. Please, let's share some love with the kids as well. This will work. It's right. Okay.
Yeah, well done, everybody. I'm super delighted to see all these geniuses. Well done. Very proud of you. The future of Pristina is bright, and Kosovo as well, of course. So we would like to give you some certificates as a thank you for participating. So first one I think it's from Bonevet, Lendrita Hassani. Lendrita? Lendrita, well done. I saw your fantastic product. So thank you. Thank you and congratulations. Congratulations. And the next certificate goes to Margita Aliyai. Big applause for Margita as well. Fantastic team, you two. Congratulations. Thank you. Urime. Next one goes to Jin Rahmani. Jin? Yeah. Well done. Here we go, Jin. Congratulations, Jin. Next certificate goes to Nol Korenica. Bravo, Noli. Yeah. Urime, bravo. The next one to Anik Seferi. Bravo, Aniki. Bravo. A kime mnimu me ndreq me rregullu qytetin. Apo? Krejt ju e kom pa prezentimi fantastik. Na e zgjedh gjitha problemet. Bravo. Edhe certifikata tjetër shkon te Zona Berisha. Zona, bravo Zona, bravo. Që. Tash I kemi certifikatat për J-Coders. Para shkon te Nart Aliti. Bravo Narti. Urime. Bravo. Tjetra te Viona Krasniqi. Viona. Masa ne vazhdojmë me Dren Vlasi. Bravo Drini. Urime. Eja këtu të lutem. Me radh, tash kemi Anila në gjipi. Bravo Anila. Urime. Albion Mehmeti. Albion, faleminderit shumë për punën fantastike. Tjetra shkon te Donat Isa. Urime Donati. Faleminderit. Certifikata tjetër shkon te Muhamet Tahiri. Bravo Muhamet. Lumë. Orest Sinani e merë tjetërën me radhë. Urime Orest. Certifikata radhës te Amar Maliqi. Lumë të Amar, bravo. Rubik Hoxha. Urime Rubik. Edhe prej J-Coders I fundit Amar Hismoni. Bravo Amari. Lumt.
Shkolla Digjitale.
Tash me radhë kemi shkollën digjitale, po filloj me Dren Shala. Urime Drini, faleminderit. Enes Kyçyku. Bravo Enesi. Gentrit Sinani. Urime Gentriti. Ardian Krasniqi. Urime Ardian. Faleminderit. Leon Hajdari. Bravo Leon. Urime. Rumesa Beici. Urime Rumesa. Urime. Lirik Recepi. Urime Lirik. Vesa Susuri. Bravo Vesa. Urime. Angel Berisha. Angel Urime. Panderit. Ana Hasani. Urime Ana të lumt. Abjan Belalari. Urime Abjan. Edhe Art Ferrati. Urime Arti.
Shkolla finlandeze.
Edhe tash e kemi grupin e fundit, certifikatat për shkollën finlandeze, po filloj me Enis Kasumin. Enis Urime Enis. I lumt. Jacob Moxon. Yay. Jacob. Congratulations. Urime. Ulix Golemi. Ulixis qenë ka këtu. Erik Kaçaniku. Bravo Erik, Urime. Lea Jashari. Lea, Urime Lea. Vera Krasniqi. Urime Vera. Mal Krasniqi. Mal dush me ma gjetë që atë lojë dyqysh dikun me ma marë. Urime. Eloj Luka. Mos është, së është aja? Ajo, okej. Jonila Tahiri. Apo vjena? Vrapo, gutu. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Urime. Urime. Edhe Rejona Reshoni. Rejona? Bravo, bravo, bravo. Urime, Urime, Urime. Urime, Urime. I lumt. I lumt. Majica. Wow. E ardhmja e Kosovës,
Gjithsesi.
I lumt, Urime një trokitje shumë të fortë. Bravo, bravo.
Këta janë krejt kampionët e sotit. I ftoj edhe udhëheqësit e shkollave të vinë për një foto të përbashkët me nxënësat të 4 shkollave që na kanë zbukuru këtë KosICT. Udhëheqësit e shkollave, please, on stage, edhe një fotografi, edhe me një falenderim shumë të madh për sponsorin e kësaj pjese të KosICT-s Gjirafës.
Urime, Urime. Ajo dhune po dalë që atje mrapa dikun.
Bravo të gjithve. Faleminderit shumë.
Urime, bravo, i lumt.
Faleminderit kryetarit Roma, që në ndëroj me prezencën dhe në ndihmoj me i shpërnda edhe certifikatat për fitusit apo për pasuesit e fëmijëve. Po sikni të gjithë, sepse tani kemi një pjesë që do ta mbajmë të shkurt fare, por është një iniciativë e 2 kompanive tona, antare të STIK, Kutijës dhe Link Plusit për ndarjen e bursave për gra të cilat dëshirojnë të studiojnë programim. Dhe kjo është një mundësi e artë për të gjitha ato gra dhe vajza që e zgjedhin si zgjedhje karriere trajnimi në IT. Arianit, Ermal, pipresim edhe 2-3 minuta. Ose Liridona, edhe Donika, këtu jeni.
Okay, hello everyone.